Would you like to set the text sizes in the Kunomail interface to your optimum and thereby achieve more clarity and fun in Kunomail? Stay tuned. Hello dear Kunomailers and welcome to our new video. Today we are talking about the font size setting. Find your optimal font size for your Kunomail. From the new version, we can now go to Administration under Settings and select Enlarge Fonts. The default is set as you can currently see, and we can now even reduce the font size, which makes perfect sense for smaller resolutions. Of course, we can also enlarge up to +5, as you can see here. For the time being in the preview dialog window, and when we then go to Save Settings and exit the dialog, we can also see the first changes. Only the email display at the top is still small. To do this, we have to exit Kunomail and restart it. Then all dialogues and settings will be adjusted. And now, as you can see, the email display is also enlarged at the top. Of course, if it's too big for us now, we can simply select a smaller zoom and see how we like it. I have now landed at zoom +3, and you can see immediately that the surface adapts individually. Of course, we can also enlarge our surfaces via windows. For this, I simply select the zoom +5 again in the settings. You can also select the zoom in your emails directly on the right. Then you can, of course, also view your emails in the large display. And of course, you can see everything, as you can see. And I haven't even reached the maximum yet, so there's still a lot of room for improvement. But now, let's have a look at the Windows display. To do this, we go to Display Settings by right-clicking on the desktop. And here you can already see that there is the Scaling and Arrangement. Change size of text, apps and other elements. The default setting here is 100%, which is the recommended size. And I just go to 125, and you can already see that a lot has changed. Also here in Kunomail. Now I think even the last ones can see everything. You can easily customize your own Kunomail. This gives you another way to customize your interface and change the font size. Once in our settings and once in the Windows display. Yes, and so we have come to the end of our short tutorial and look forward to seeing you again soon. Your Kunomail team.